Hi, this is my math quiz. On the top, I wrote my name plus math quiz, and this is the date. And it was a little bit crowded because the size of it's 500 by 400. I managed it to fit all the requirement. So this is the time left and the box, even though I can add more padding between the margin between this box and this box. And like I said, the size of the box is too small. I just followed the requirement. I didn't increase it. And this is the operation, the addition, and it's just the difference and multiplication and the division, and then stop the quiz button. And again, I couldn't add more padding bottom to make it better, make it looks better. But well, that's all I can do. So thank you.